We got a box in the, well, not in the mail, from our good friends at Eastwood. This is their newest product. Something special. What we've got here is the MIG 250. This is a dual voltage MIG and flux core welder, 250 amps, and it's capable of spray transfer. So today's video is going to be an unboxing. So the first thing we've got here is this big power cord. Now this machine in the 240 amp mode, 240 volt mode, requires a 50 amp circuit to run on, and that is one big cord. This box was very heavy. The machine itself weighs 76 pounds. And you can see it's double boxed in this carton with lots of foam padding all around it. It's in good shape. Oh, here we go. We're going to lift it up. Well, that was tough just getting it up there on the counter. Now here's the accessory box that comes with it. We've got some contact tips, one of these worthless face masks, although you can actually use it with MIG if you wanted, the shielding gas hose with the 5/8 NPT fittings on the ends, very nice, nice rubber hose, another package with some contact tips and a wrench to fit the bolts on this unit. Here is our gas regulator. This is the 2-dial regulator that's going to show the tank pressure on the right, and the working pressure on the left. This comes standard with a lot of the import machines, and it works just fine. Here's that 5/8 NPT, and see, that's a perfect fit. You're not going to need any adapters. This is the 240 or 220 to 120 volt pigtail adapter. You plug those big cables into each other, and this giant 70-pound MIG welding behemoth becomes a tame little 120 volt MIG welding powerhouse. It's a very nice feature. You can MIG anywhere you've got household power. Next is our work lead. This is a standard work lead you see with most of your machines. And this is the DINS 35. That's the 1/2-inch DINS connector. Got a nice copper grounding strip in there, braided. Here is our MIG gun. This says on it like ergo grip. It uses Tweco style consumables. I like the two-finger trigger. I like the two-finger trigger design. That works really nice. Got this nice plated cap on the end here. It's your gas outlet, contact tip. There's where it plugs into the machine. What's really nice is this machine is spool gun compatible. Now this is the spool gun should work with this machine. If you don't know what a spool gun is for, it's for welding aluminum. The aluminum filler wire is so soft you would have a hard time pushing it all the way from the machine through the cable out the end of your standard TIG torch. So by putting a spool gun on it, you don't have to push the soft wire out the end. It's just fed about 1 foot through the gun itself. Again, very nice. Now in our next video we're going to have the setup for this, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching Adventures in Welding. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.